Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add black bars in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, open DaVinci Resolve and import your video by clicking on File, Import Media. Once the video is added to the timeline, select the clip you want to edit. Now go to the Inspector tab and scroll down to the Cropping section. Here, adjust the top and bottom values to create the black bars. Increasing the cropping values will add bars at the top and bottom of the video. You can also adjust the zoom settings to ensure the video is positioned correctly within the black bars. If needed, use the transform options to center the video. Once you're happy with the result, export your video by clicking on the Deliver tab and selecting the desired output settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.